Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and today I'm with some basic Italian words. Body parts in Italian. So let's begin. Braccio, single, braccio, single, arm, plural, arms, braccia, braccio, braccia. Next one is gomito, elbow, single, gomito. Plural is gomiti, elbows, gomiti, gomito, gomiti. Next word is polso, wrist, polso, wrist. Plural is polsi, polsi, wrist, polso, polsi. Our next word is mano, single, mano. Plural is mani. One hand, mano, plural, mani. Dita, dito, single, dito, single, finger, dita, plural, fingers, dito, dita. Stomaco, 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 stomach, stomaco, stomach. Please pronounce these all words with me. Thank you so much. Pancia, belly, pancia, belly, pancia. Must subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let's move on to our next words. Gamba, legs, gamba, leg. Single is gamba, plural is gambe, gambe. Our next word is knee, ginocchio, ginocchio. Plural is ginocchia, ginocchia, ginocchio, ginocchia. Ankle, caviglia, caviglia. Plural is cavelle, cavelle, caviglia, cavelli. Ankle. Piede, foot, piede, foot, single, foot, piede, plural, piedi, piedi. Feet. Dita di piedi, dita di piedi, toes, dita di piedi, toes, dita di piedi. Schiena, schiena. It's not scena, it's schiena, back. Schiena, schiena, back. Fianco, hips, fianco, hips. Plural is fianchi, fianchi, fianco, fianchi. Spalla, shoulder, spalla. Singular is spalla, plural is spalle. Must subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.